Vega vibes. I figure I'd give you guys a little update on what's next for the Cruiser Dart here. I got a day off. It's Friday afternoon, and I figure I enjoy this beautiful spring-like weather that we're having. So here's the update. I did order a kit that comes with power valves, all different sizes. I ordered the pipes that I need to get the exhaust to run off from the purple hornies right to the side, so I can have this side exhaust. And I can't remember what else I ordered, but there's a few things coming. So hopefully I'll have most of them before the end of the weekend, and we can do a little video on a few installs. Anyway, just giving you folks a little update here, and maybe we'll take her for a ride. I know I haven't done a video with the hood on, so I think I'll do that now. See you in a little bit. Okay, so I do have her running a lot better than she was. She has a little less stutter or fumble, whatever you want to call it, but it's still there. It's in there, and it's slight now. So I think if I change out the power valve and go with at least an 8.5 instead of the 6.5 that's in there now, I think that'll help me out. Get it to come in just a little sooner, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can get that before Sunday. Maybe I should slow down a little. I'm sorry, is that I get excited. I just want to put the hammer down every chance I get. So this is where I'm going to end this video for now. And maybe I should give you a view from the top of the mountain here. All right, let me find a parking space and I'll give you guys a view. Okay, there she is, running like a champ. It can only get better from here. I am at the highest point here of Garrett Mountain, and yeah, you can see the city of Patterson right down there. Got a major highway running through it. That's I-80. 15 minutes east, and you'll be in New York City, right across the George Washington Bridge. If you can see, it's New York City way over there in the horizon. Alright, so stay tuned. Maybe we can put out another video tomorrow. Oh, by the way, I do have a new project that I'm working on. It's a 72 Chevelle, and the parts are in, and if my parts don't come in for the Dodge Dart, for the Cruiser Dart that is, then we'll do a video on the 72 Chevelle. Hope to see you then. Thanks for watching. See you soon.